The attorneys for an undocumented Maryland transgender woman says she's been stripped of her dignity and her rights on purpose. WMAR 2 News' Blair Sable shares why they believe she's been targeted amid the federal government's immigration crackdown.
More than 1,000 miles from home, a Maryland woman sits in an ICE facility's solitary confinement for her own safety. 43-year-old April Amaya-Luis, who identifies as transgender, is being held at an all-male prison in Miami. She's been living in the U.S. for 25 years undocumented, but according to her attorneys, has established a well-rounded life with her own business and a loving husband.
People who truly know her know that she is not a violent or dangerous person. She is a wife and a beloved community member.
Rachel Durand is an immigration attorney in Baltimore, where her office has been much busier in the last month.
Buenas tardes, oficina del abogado. Habla con Abby, ¿cómo le puedo ayudar?
She says her client was serving a 6-month probation sentence for a simple assault charge in Kent County and checking in for a routine visit with her probation officer when ICE officials arrested her in early February. Amaya-Luis was then brought here to ICE Baltimore's headquarters, where she was kept in a room for a week, which her lawyers say is a violation of her rights.
I have never seen that before in my years of doing this.
And just hours after securing a hearing to argue for her release, Durand says ICE moved her to the Florida facility despite closer locations that could better accommodate her and her family. To the team, it's no mystery why.
All of this, that she's being targeted because of her status as a transgender woman and a non-citizen.
The White House posted about her arrest on X, both misgendering her and claiming she had sexually assaulted a child, which Durand says never happened.
To take that and sensationalize it in the way they did with blatant falsehoods about the case, it just adds motive to what was behind all of the irregularities since she got detained.
Attorneys say their first priority is getting Amaya-Luis back to Maryland ASAP. In Baltimore, Blair Sable, WMAR 2 News.